Okay, we are going to do a words their way sort number 23 from the Derivational book. And let me just fix that. And that is adding an ION with a vowel alternation. It's a spelling change. If you don't have your notebook, your words, and a pencil, please go get them now. Okay, we are going to be looking at base words that have an AI in it. When they have an AI in it and you're adding the shun, you're going to add an ATION. If your base word ends in an E, you're going to add a PTION to get the shun sound. So for example, we have exclaim, and exclaim has an AI in it, and it's to state out loud or to be excited, and we have exclamation, to say excitedly, an exclamation. Okay, so you're taking the AI word and you're just doing an EXCLAM, and then you're adding an ATION to it. Exclamation. Okay, we have assume, which ends in an E. And we're going to add a PTION. So we're getting rid of the E and adding a PTION. So we have assume and assumption. So when you assume something, you think you know it. And an assumption is thinking, the process of thinking you know it. It's to make an assumption means that you're in the act of assuming. Okay, now we have presume, which also ends in an E. And to presume it is to think or to think you know it. And to make a presumption is very similar to assumption. And that is to think you know it. So you presume something or you make a presumption. Okay, up here we have explain. That has the AI in it. That is to explain something, is what I'm doing right now. I'm letting you know about it. An explanation is the reason, so I am telling you why things are the way they are. So this adds an ATION. Okay, so now we have proclaim has the AI in it. And when you proclaim something, that means you announce it officially. And a proclamation is the process or the action of proclaiming. So if I make a proclamation, I'm stating something officially. To reclaim something is to take back something. That has the AI in it. And reclamation is the act of taking it back, or the process of taking something back. Again, you drop that I in there and keep the M, and you're adding an ATION. So we have acclaim. And let me get down there. That's another AI. And acclaim is to praise something. And then you have acclamation, which is the process of praising something. You give it acclamations or tell it it's to praise something, the act of praising something. Okay, resume ends in an E. That means to start again. And resumption is the process of starting or beginning again. We have consume. That means to use it up. And consumption is the process of using something up. Okay, We have perceive and perception. Adds that P-T-I-O-N, and receive, or to get, and reception means to receive something. Okay, here is our word sort. I'll leave it here for a second. Yours should match mine. And now that you have your words sorted, you should write it in your notebook.